What a great little pit bike session that was. Slipping and sliding everywhere. The ground's so slick. It makes it fun, interesting, and improves your skill set. This time of year, some of the tracks and trails I just can't use because someone with my skill set, it's practically impossible trying to get up them. And I don't want to waste all my energy and effort trying to push it up the top. So if that happens, I just try and turn my bike around and go back down the easy way. And another reason is we just don't want to churn up all the trails and rut them out ready for next year. Plus, we might get in trouble. But I've just been making the most of what I got at my disposal this time of year, trying to get some seat time. Stroke peg time. I don't know why everyone calls it seat time because, well, a 50-50 I'm on the seat on the pit bike, but on a bigger bike, when I'm more comfortable, I'm barely on the seat. So I would call it peg time rather than seat time. So slippy. Get up there a little bit. Oh, nearly. It's just so slick on top. Great for training though. Nope, definitely no. Plan B it is. Again. Sick. We don't mind a bit of slick though. Over slick. Looking at it that way. Nearly. It's good bike's going. It's either a lot of effort getting it up there or just go down. That didn't sound very healthy. throttle, on the throttle. Nearly over the bars. Jeez, man. You need a run up for it. Wow. See, I like that staggered hill. It's good for training. Some things you can't do this time of year. Good practice though. We'll have that on a day like today. Oh yeah, I don't know what just told me to try that, but I thought that looks pretty difficult. I'm going to give that a go. Back brake. Oh, there's that back brake. Weight on the back wheel. I love that exit. I also love this switchback here. Right then, I think I'm going to call it a day there. Like I said, I've had fun slipping and sliding round. It's good practice. It is good fun. It's a really good feeling when you're going sideways or the front's nearly slipping out. I don't know, there's just something about being on the limit that makes you feel alive. Every time I ride this bike, I'm just loving it more and more. These bars, the tyres, and that front sprocket all coming together like a jigsaw. Works perfect. I've had fun. Hopefully you had fun watching. and maybe we should see you in another episode. Thanks for watching the Motor Machines channel. We're out. Boom.